Hi everyone, this is Vikram and I'm from Miracle Worker Group. Today I'm going to talk about the software-defined radio which we have worked upon for our group project. We are actually a group of four, me, Ankit, uh, Sahaja and Mustan Wali. We had one more group member but he had to leave in between because of his own personal reasons. Um, uh, main the first question that arises what the software defined radio. Software defined radio, it generally means that radio or what the radio components, which includes the software modules that run the DSP processor as well as the microprocessors, and these two combinations gives us the radio functionings, and that's why we call the software defined radio. Stop it.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Abbas. As Bikram told you, we are working on software defined radio as a project. First of all, in software defined radio, we are not using any dedicated hardware, just software, one laptop, one antenna for receiving signal, and one dongle for connecting our antenna with the laptop. That's our software which we are using for the software defined radio HDSDRT. That's the laptop. That's the antenna which we are going to use, and that's the USRP2 which we are using instead of dongle, because for some reason we are not able to get the dongle at that time. So we are using the USP-R2 for connecting our antenna with the laptop. As I will press the start button, our radio will start to work. In Milton Keynes, we have only two radio stations. One at 88.6 megahertz frequency, which I tuned over here. That's a frequency 88.6 megahertz. So our radio system is working over here. When I tune the other frequency, the other radio channel will start to work. Let me try to increase the frequency. 92.8. That's our other channel working on the radio station.
Okay. Hi everyone. Today we are going to give you some demonstration about our circuits that we created in OpenSim. As a group project, we have chosen SDR radio, that's software defined radio, as the topic of our project, and we have been allotted group number, the area number 13 in the OpenSim, and Arizal circuits. And the front, and the first I'll show you, that is actually our SDR running in our laptop. That's a software which actually implements our software defined radio into the working thing. And that is the diagrams of the whole setup. That is laptop, antenna, and the dongle, and the microprocessor that the dongle have contains of. The next one is the slide for the software defined why build an SDR. What's the importance of the SDR? It doesn't need any dedicated hardware, and all the DSP is digital signal processing done in the softwares. We also have created one Facebook account where we constantly and periodically keep on sending the post. Anyone who wants to join our Facebook can do so, just going to the address that's over there. And there is another block diagram of the software defined radio, which consists of one transmitting end and one receiving end. Coming to the side, that is in a desk, a table, where the SDR setup, the running SDR setup is set up up there. That is in high definition software defined radio software that is running in the software in the laptop, along with a antenna which is connected using the dongle to the laptop, and the software defined radio is running in there. It's not only the SDSDR software, which is the free software. that's available for implementing the software-defined radio. We can also use the GNU radio, which also provides this open source software and can be used easily in your laptop. That's all for the software-defined radio, and hopefully you like our demonstrations. Thank you so much. Ready?
Hi everyone, this is Wali, and I'm here to speak about how easy the SDR can be built. If you see here, it's a simple laptop and a software running over here. And the software, what's the software? This is like HD SDR. If you just go into the internet and browse for hdsdr.com, you can see a link where you can see different versions of HD SDR versions, where if you feel comfortable to download whatever the version that you like, and it is quite simple, easy, and once if you download it, it's just a click of head to run the software. And how it works? It works on two simple basic things. One is that antenna, dongle, and other thing is software. You can just go into the market, and it is very easy to get any type of dongle and antenna that you prefer. It means that it's the frequency range that you like to take up. Like for example, we have taken an antenna and dongle of a particular range, like from 60 to 180. If you prefer to have between the ranges and about that range, which is pretty good. So just connect the antenna and the dongle to and run the software, and it's very easy that you can anywhere you can run this software without any network connections. This is the main advantage that we have through SDR, and hopefully it's not that difficult. I mean that you will really enjoy with all the songs and what are the information that you need with the internet broadband connections when you feel very hesitated, you know. This is one of the greatest thing that you can maintain everywhere, and you can really enjoy the things as well. And hope you enjoy this video. We'll be coming with the forward initiatives with the proceedings of SDR furthermore. Bye bye.